stress tolerance on the wing spar is significantly improved.
But what about the load distribution near the engine housing?
We've accounted for that in the latest simulation iteration.
Mr. Grayson, the load distribution on the wing spar is optimized, but we need to check the fuselage connection.
I suggest we reinforce the cargo hold beam.
What's the gauge reading on section 3?
Consistent with the calipers. Looks good.
Hold it steady right there.
Coming down 2 millimeters.
Locked in position.
Check the alignment on this section. It's within tolerance. Lock it down.
Service Bulletin 7-7 dictates a 3-stage torque sequence here.
Stage 1 complete, moving to stage 2.
Acknowledged. Proceed.
All right, bring it up slowly. Holding steady on the left. Clear to move forward.
Flight computer is installed. Powering up the avionics now.
Systems check is green. Moving to calibration sequence.
Guide that seat into the mounts.
All right, secure it on your end.
Applying power to the hydraulic pump circuit now.
Telemetry confirms engagement. Pressure is rising steadily.
All checks complete. Ground clear.
Roger that. Flight systems active. Powering up.